Good morning, guys. What's up? I am Nia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the head to toe plank challenge. So I don't know if y'all can see that light, the ring light is messing with it. But I'm gonna put it in the in the video, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box as well, so y'all can do this video with me. Just in case my movements aren't too clear. But today we're gonna do the head to toe plank challenge. I remember the last time I was working out, well, I'm not gonna say working out, I was just doing planks. Like, planks really are good. Like, it's a full body toning all in one. Like, so we about to see, this is 11 minutes long, 11 minutes and 17 seconds. So first one is high plank.
2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to join us. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Are you supposed to be,
28,
who the hell doing that? Ooh.
Next exercise is plank.
I don't think we're gonna do all these, y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, Jesus Christ, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, man. Let me scoot this back.
Next exercise is walk in plank. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1,
Oh, hell no. We can't do this. We can't do this. We can't do this for y'all. Fuck no. What is a walking plank? Hell no. We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
13.
Whew. While they doing that, I'll just do some of my arm exercises.
Next exercise
Okay,
is
let's see.
plank shoulder tap. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay, see, we're not doing that.
1, 2,
Okay, we're not doing this.
3.
Next video. We're going to a different video. Fuck that. They not about to kill me today. Then planks are good. We're going to do some more planks, but them, see them one planks, I feel that all through my body. I'm going to do some more planks. I'm about to do some more planks. I'm going to try to hold it for a minute. We're going to see who can hold their planks the longest. This is the plank challenge. Period. So, we're going to see who can hold their planks for the longest. Yes, the first person to hold their plank for 2 minutes, I got a prize for you. Is 2 minutes long enough? Maybe I should do 3 minutes. If you can hold your plank for 3 minutes, I got something for you. So, whoever the first person is to do their plank challenge, and you can show me that you did it for at least 3 minutes, you have to send me the video on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram in my description box. And you're gonna have to send me your plank challenge. Show me that you did it for that long. Whoever the first person who send it to me, I got a surprise for you. But you are gonna have to send me like your mailing address or your PO box, or maybe I'll just cash app you for some lunch. That's what I'll do. I'll cash app you lunch on me. Yeah, depending on your plank challenge. So, but I'm about to do one for 1 minute. So let's see if I can hold mine for 1 minute. You gotta do a minute plank. That shit hard. So we gonna change it from 3 minutes to 2 minutes. If you can hold that shit for 2 minutes, you a G. You a G, no doubt. You P. You pushing P for real. You P. You pushing P. If you can hold your plank for 2 minutes, if you can hold it for 3 minutes, I really got something for you. So yes, that's the challenge. If y'all can hold it for 2 to 3 minutes, y'all gotta send me a video of y'all recording yourself doing the plank for that amount of time. And yeah, and I'm gonna have something for y'all. I'm gonna probably cash app you if you got P.O. Box. I got stuff I really wanna send out to y'all. So yeah, this is the challenge. All right, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure y'all send y'all video to my Instagram. It's Lipstick Queen. I'm gonna put it in the description box. Thank y'all so much for watching. I am about to do some other toning exercises, so I may put that in here, I may not, but if I don't, y'all can see it in the next video, or y'all just see this video. Deuces.